legal department.
Hello.
Hello.
I'm just wondering why you're not signing for my documents. I'm Jehovah God again, by the way, and I've sent all the documents out to the newspapers, all in Britain and America. So you should be going down soon. Probably in April it's going to get uncomfortable for Watchtower. Do you believe that I'm Jehovah, or is it a case of non-belief like Jehovah says in the Bible?
Hi, that is Mr. Hash here, but yeah.
Brother, I am not joking. If you got your representatives down here and had a look at my evidence, you'd be shaking in your boots and they would blow your mind, the mathematical equations that I've got of the connections with dates and everything like that. You haven't seen it. You're not living in ignorance, don't you, brother? It's basically a lack of knowledge or information. You haven't got any of the information I hold. Seriously, you want to go and look at my YouTube channel, Jehovah Hashe, Hacche. Have you had a look? Downloaded the documents about when Jerusalem was destroyed? It wasn't 607, mate. If I'm going to set up a kingdom with an invisible king, I don't think so. It's easier to come down, use psychological warfare against the nations, Jehovah himself, and get respect from nations, not do it through fire and sulphur. That's not. Armageddon is on the 3rd of August when you go down. I'm being deadly serious. You either repent or I take consequences against Bethel, because I came down on the 2nd of June 2023, did you know? And I was met with 2 brothers on security, and they were going to call the police on me. They did listen to me, and they're looking at my face. I think you're looking at my YouTube channel and that, aren't you? Be truthful.
All right, Mr. Hash. Well, thanks for your call in this afternoon, okay?
Brother, I've got you by the short and curlies. You're going down. The newspapers I'm bombarding them with information about Planet 9 on my app that shouldn't even be there. You know, Planet 9, it's a hypothetical planet. I've got supernatural things coming out my ears. It's been happening today. Warplanes have been going over. Like phantom ones. You know, things are moving. Towels are being thrown on the floor in the kitchen, and I've not even put it there. My friend Trish, she was visited by an angel, you know, on last year on Father's Day. Did you know? And he said to her, he says, James is a good man. She was visited by an angel. So if you believe people are visited by angels in the Bible, why not mine?
Yeah, well, thanks for calling in, Mr. House.
You're not going to come and look at the evidence then? You're going to go down with the Titanic? Is that what you've chosen? Yeah? I'm just giving you a warning. Jehovah gives a warning, doesn't he, every time?
He does.
Yeah.
Thank you for your call. Thank you.
Well, there's your warning, brother. So
Thank you.
get ready for destruction.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Bye.